Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, the daily candle, what it done, guys, you see it here. So the market makers or people, they believe in the Bitcoin to fall down. They still pushing down, guys. And us, we still in the last place we're holding for us is that one. So let's see now if we're going to break that lower here, because if we break in here, we are going to go to 10k. If we're not, we are going to go back. So till now, it's still very early for anyone to tell you is the right time, because now it's getting more worse and worse, guys. As you see it, look what it's giving us here. Given us here a down channel like that, as you see it. Also, we are in the lower of it here now. So now either from here to go back here to the middle here maybe, then after that to drop, or maybe from here we're going to break it and we go down to 10k. So let's hope by the end of the day that candle which is going now to reject upward, and tomorrow it's coming very stronger news. It's coming the CPI of USA. So stay tuned with us. When the daily candle finishes, we're going to come back to you guys. By the way, yes, you, are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, we are a special YouTube channel. Every day we put on for you 2 videos, guys. Every day 2 videos. So like that, you're going to be very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing exactly right now, guys. It's not something hard, my friend. Just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified. As you see, guys, also we're talking and the candle is breaking down. So I think we are going to go to 10k, guys. If the daily candle close like that, we are going to go to 10k, guys. So it's a very sad moment, guys. There is nothing to say. It's going to see our other indicators, guys, what the same for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, as you see it, guys, came here to that level. By the way, that level, every time we used to touch it and we reverse from it. Now we are in it. But till now, it's still very early for us to say we're going to reverse from here. Still a little bit early. So it's going to go till here, till the oversold area. In that time, it's going to show us an indication that the market is going to reverse, but now it's not yet. It's still very early for us thinking of the market is going to reverse, guys. I think everything is too clear. Guys, support us. Smashing the like button, please. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Now let's go into see 4 hours, guys. What is it there for the picture to be more clear to you? Here in the 4 hours, guys, there is nothing here. Everything here in the 4 hours indicating that the market is going to fall down more than that. Always if the market giving us here a price action, indicating that the market is going to reverse. And if you remember, also we are the only channel we tell you to enter from here, guys. From here, we tell you to enter. Exactly from that candle down one. Also, we tell you to enter short, guys. Look how much you make. Now let's hop in for tomorrow, guys, if it's going to keep some news or no. And now that candle is showing a rejection, and as you see it, guys, there is nothing here new. As you see it here, it couldn't catch here. Now it's showing it's breaking that level here. So let's hope it's going to go back up or to give us here a price action indicating that the market is going to reverse. Because till now everything it's look very bad, guys. Even if you zoom it out, and yesterday I show you all those things here. I show you the trend line here. As you see it, that the level I got. At the first level 17,207, and now we are in it. And that from here I buy last time. Another level I got it is 15,985, and the last level I got it is that one down here at 12k, as you see it. So those ones the levels and the backups I got pending order here and pending order here. That one here, it's being triggered now. We enter in it. So I'm not entering it today, I entered it long time ago. So now let's wait and see what's going the market to bring for us, guys. Till now everything is looking very bad. And that breakout here will happen here. Now it's showing to us here is a fake breakout, as you see it. Because now the market is came back inside that downtrend. Also we being following. Because also we thinking when we break in here, is a real breakout, but now look at it, it went up till here, now it's going back, and also we are inside now. So all that is a false breakout, guys. Now we go back inside That was me being telling you guys when we looking at the VIX. I told you it's 25. It's still very, very early. So let's see in tomorrow news what it's going to do to the market, either to push it upward again, because now the Fed interest rate is started pivoting, guys. They can raise interest rate more than that. Now the coming month they are going to add only 0.5, and in January 0.25. So that's meant they pivot from that 0.75, and us here now we are in that level. So now we need, for us to find the opportunity to buy, we need the market to give us here a price action. If it doesn't, us we stay in a free falling, guys. Everything is too clear. Now it's going to see our indicators, guys, what they're saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, we're still here at the oversold area. There is nothing here indicating that the market is going to reverse here in the 4 hours. In the daily, when it's going to come here to the oversold area, we're going to buy, guys. Remember my word, that's how me I trade personally. But here in the 4 hours, it's still very early. And I show you that one yesterday. I told you also we are in a very, very, very clear falling trend line, as you see it. Yeah, now we haven't even came out from the level of oversold area. Also, we're still below that level of 30. So it's still very, very early for us to thinking of to buy now, guys. Let's go in now to see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, same thing. We enter here at the oversold area. Till now there is no price action here indicating the market is going to reverse. And if you remember us, we show you here we used to have a divergence. The divergence is being broken now, and here now there is no price action here in the 4 hours indicating the market is going to reverse. Everything's still looking the same, guys. And here we used to have here a channel like that. That channel now it's being broken, as you see it, guys. When it's being broken here, when it came the news, as you see it, till it where it falling down. And here maybe you can even draw like that, something like that. You can even draw here a channel if you want. Let me show it to you. A down channel like that. You came to that peak, that one and that one here, and you try to connect them like that together, like that. You see yourself, you are in the lower of it here, and in the top you came to that one and that one like that. So as you see it, guys, you are in a down channel here. The market touched the top of it here, and now it touching the lower of it here now. As you see it, that one is a down channel. So now you are in the lower of that channel. But should you buy, my friend? No, of course no. Also, we're still in a very, very sharp downtrend, guys. As you see it, that one is a falling knife, guys. No one can catch it. It needs to fall down to the floor first and to bounce for us to catch it. If you try to catch in a falling knife, you're going to be hurt, guys. Remember that. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now it's going to 30 minutes to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you, and to see if there is any price action there indicating for us there is a buying opportunity or something. So let's go into 30 minutes, guys. By the way, support us, guys. I know you don't smash in the like button, so go ahead and please smash the like button, my friend, helping us, guys. You done it? Thank you very, very much, my friend. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there, guys. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes, I got a price action here. As you see it, that one. I showed it to you yesterday, but today it look more clear. Now for us to enter here in 30 minutes, it needs that one to come and to break for us here, as you see it. Because as you see in 30 minutes, what it giving us here, as you see it, guys, it give us here that price action here, that one here. Also, we're still in a very, very downtrend, but for scalping, if it came and breaking for us that trend line here, that one came a candle and breaking here, you enter long, guys. Take profit of you either to be here in the lower of those candles here, or to be at the 200 moving average, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicators, guys, what the same for picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator is the same thing. Nothing was changed from yesterday. Also, we're still here at the oversold area. And as you see, I showed it to you before. That's what me I told you. Don't follow anyone who bases trading on oscillators, guys. Look at that, where we enter to the oversold area from 21k till 17k, guys. That's too much of losses. So us now we are at the oversold area in our indicator level. Yes, we are in a very stronger level. I've been showing to you in the 4 hours in the daily, but here the price action you got, that wage, it needs to come and to be broken here for you to enter long, guys. If it doesn't break, there is no entry. It might from here to break lower and to go back more lower, guys. You get what I'm saying, guys, or no? It doesn't matter when that one enter at the oversold area, it means also we need to buy. No, my friend. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying, guys. That one here, I showed you yesterday that divergence here we have. And now look at it. It's still in that divergence, guys, as you see it. That one, it's still falling. and that indicator of us is still respecting here that divergence line here. So maybe tomorrow when it came the news, you're going to see a big pushing up, guys, or maybe when the daily candle finishes. We don't know exactly when, and no one in this planet know exactly when, guys, but now it's showing there is a rejection is coming, guys. So make a close eye at it when it's going to happen. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you in the daily candle finish it. Bye for now, guys.